Hello YouTube, this is Chef EDC, Chef's EDC. These are my knives, all my knives. I'll show you them all real quick and then I'll show you my newest one I just got. Bradford Guardian M4, boom. ZT TI 0562, yes, 0562. ZT, another one, carbon fiber. This one is a 0450CF. I got this guy, this beast, which is the 0308 ZT. I got the Spidey Chef. I got the Smock. I got the PM2, Paramilitary 2, and it is CPM S45. I got the LC200N salt for the water. This is a Baron Sun. I got an Ultratech Microtech. I got an Ultratech UTX70. I got a CRKT Bonafide. This is like my first knife ever got like 17 years ago. This is the, which one is this? This is Gerber. Look at that. And it's Gerber Auto Strike, I think. James Brand Carter. 80-20, 80-15, Scorpion Lock right here. Benchmade Bug Out, which I need new scales for because I cannot stand how thin these are. This I've had for a long time. This is my new knife, which is the Benchmade Adamas, which is an absolute beast. And that is rocking crew wear. And also my S30 titanium TTI Leatherman, which I carry every day. That's it, baby.